Welcome to Commons West 316, a third-floor studio right on the Ithaca Commons. This apartment is offered fully furnished with a bookcase, desk and desk chair, full-sized bed, and a dresser. The kitchen is equipped with a microwave, electric oven and stove, and a refrigerator. This apartment has 2 closets, as well as a full bath. The bathroom is equipped with a combination bathtub and shower, as well as a large mirror and medicine cabinet. Rent for this apartment includes heat, water, and trash removal. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and internet is available upon request. Please call now for more information.